Have you ever wondered how to kick off your team? Setting the stage for great performance might not be as complicated as you believe. The recipe? Discuss expectations and make a team charter. Obviously, we only get one chance to make a first impression. But can the first minutes of an interaction really be crucial for how we work and perform together? Well, according to team research guru Richard Hackman, the things that happen the first time a group meets strongly affect how the group operates throughout its entire life. Indeed, the first few minutes of the start of any social system are the most important. Yet, if the first phase is so important, how should we approach it? Unfortunately, very little research speaks to this question. At NHH, we therefore launched the project Start Smart to find out. And the key finding that emerged from this project is simple. It's all about getting the expectations on the table. And a powerful tool to work on these expectations is the team charter. 3 elements seem essential in this endeavor: agreeing on what to do, who should do what, and how to work together. In other words, spell out 1, the purpose of the team, 2, the roles of the members, and 3, the norms the team should adhere to. The project currently consists of 4 studies, and 4 main findings that support our hypotheses are the following. First, handling the basic challenges of teamwork, such as goal clarification and motivational issues early on, seems utterly important for a team's ability to function well. Second, teams that early on talk about expectations toward each other and their teamwork show consistently better cooperation and generally higher performance than those who do not. Third, teams that use a team charter to manage expectations outperform teams that do not. Fourth and finally, teams that talk about expectations and decide on some general rules perform as well as teams with a written contract. The Start Smart project clearly points to the power of the first phase of a team interaction. And the common theme that emerges is the importance of discussing expectations and agreeing on the purpose of the team, the roles of the members, and the norms of how to work together. You can do this by developing a team charter which contains these basic elements. However, just starting out by discussing previous experiences and how that may help the focal team to prosper may be an easy and powerful alternative if time does not allow for a more formal approach. And by closely monitoring the team by recurrently reflecting on how the team is functioning will help you make sure that your team remains high performing over time.